Welcome to Synkio's YouTube channel. If you want to transfer data from Android to iPhone 13, I'd like to share an easier way by applying the phone transfer tool. It's easier than your imagination. The tool we used is Synkio's Data Transfer. Double-click to run the toolkit and choose Phone Transfer to run it. It provides transfer, restore, and backup. Just choose Transfer. Connect both Android and iPhone to the computer via USB cables. You can click the flip button to change the source mobile and target mobile. Then choose the data you want to transfer. You can select all or just choose the data you want. The program is loading the data. The transfer begins. The selected data are transferred to the new iPhone 13 successfully. It really saves time. It's the end of this guide. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel to get more useful tips.